Man, shut your...
But what the hell, but...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. President. Today we're checking out the new Animal Company update. Just gotta wait for my friend to join. Yo, Jackson. Okay.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, what happened there?
No, not the stash. The moment of truth. Has it got rid of my stuff?
Nope, it hasn't.
Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
8k, not bad.
Yeah, new stash grenade. Harness. Wait, hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna buy the...
Harness the power. This is part 1 of seeing if they added an underwater update. Let's go! I'm getting some goldie. Yes! See, now I have even more stuff to collect, which is annoying. Get out! What does this do? I've done it already. It's not really.
What the hell? Oh my God!
I don't really see the purpose of that.
Bruh.
Oh damn! Oh wow, that's quite cool. Oh, yep, blood got jukes. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of today's video. To be honest, I don't really see the purpose of this update, but I'll see you next time. Bye!
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi guys, the video isn't actually done because YouTube is being stupid and keeps uploading my video as a short. So I'm just gonna stare into your soul for like 50 seconds now. So enjoy. Alright, I hope that's long enough.